In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create Bitbucket repository. In order to do that, first head over to their website, which is bitbucket.org. Once you're in there, click onto this Get It Free option in order to actually sign up for their product. Wait for this to be redirected to the sign up page. In here, just input your work email as well as your workspace name. For example, let's just name it right here, VMFriends1. Click onto this Agree and create the workspace. Once you have done that, this will actually allow you to sign up for a big bucket right there. And now we're here into our actual dashboard on your Bitbucket. From your actual dashboard, you can already see the option to create a repository. To do that, click on this Create Repository option that will appear. Now, once you have done that, you will be redirected to the repository editor. Input right here the name of the repository or the name of your project first. For example, let's make it KB project. Input right here the name of the repository. Let's input RP private. Input right here the access level. On my case, I'll just make it private repository. And you can also include the readme right here as well as the default branch name. For this, I'll just input. You can also include git nor as well as expand the advanced settings for the description, working in language. On my case, I'll just proceed to create this and click on this button for this in order to create a repository. So from in there, this will be created and just wait for this to be loaded. Once you're done, you should be able to see right here your actual repository. You can see the README. You can proceed to edit the file right here if you would want to. Wow. So that's all there is today. I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need about Bitbucket.